Did you know a man in rural Pennsylvania inherited a typewriter that typed messages he never wrote? It belonged to his grandfather, a journalist who died in 1988. He kept it as decoration. Never used it. It just sat on a shelf for over 30 years. In 2021, he found a sheet of paper still loaded in it. A single sentence typed, "Tell her I'm sorry." He assumed his grandfather had left it there decades ago. He removed the page and put in a fresh sheet just to test whether the machine still worked. The next morning, the fresh page had writing on it too. "She needs to know." He hadn't touched the typewriter overnight. His bedroom door was locked. The typewriter sat in the den, completely separate. He set up a camera the following night, pointed directly at the machine. At 2:50 a.m., the keys began moving. No hands. No visible cause, each key pressed down with a soft click, one letter at a time. By morning, a full paragraph had been typed. His grandfather had a sister who disappeared in 1962. The family always said she ran away. The new message gave an address. A house 3 counties over, abandoned since the 1970s. He drove there out of curiosity more than belief. Under the porch, exactly where the message said to look, investigators later found remains. Consistent with someone missing for over 60 years, he never used the typewriter again. But he didn't get rid of it either. He says some messages still need to be sent, even decades later.